Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Anushka Sharma is back in the limelight promoting her new movie Zero, and she looks breathtakingly gorgeous. Now the one look that really caught my eye is this one. I mean, how flawless does she look? And this look is actually pretty perfect for the party season. The silver strokes have been trending all through Fashion Week, so today I'm going to show you how to get this simple and understated look in just a few steps. That was it. Hope I simplified this look as much as I can. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, if you're somebody who loves owning cool stuff, then you have to check out POPxo shop. We have some really cool things like cushion covers, laptop skins, unicorn doormats and a lot more. Just click on the link in the description box below and check that out. And for more such videos, keep watching POPxo Beauty.